Alright, we will be acquired by Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium. Kumasi Asante Kotoko match against Medeama and JD behind scenes, at the Bremo. This was the time and players, back na Chese, Womo Enyan from today's coach Ogun, na Wajeno Chese Queen vest, nice one, the Kai Shed Kama long sleeves. This was Euro time on so you can see the players. This is where they exchange pleasantries and a whole lot of issues. It'll be interesting scenes exclusive. And I don't know, Ghana referees is special. This is the beauty of the Ghana Premier League. Things like this in the mountains, a Premier League near Ghana. So this shows the lovely relationship between the players. Things that Lomo Tene Justice Blamo. Na Womo Church Mohuana. I just said, Ophelia. I always said Daniel Lomo Fred Casaro. Almost was your national team. Now, referee charge the Sweden especially. In Tiahano is a Jean Vital, and Eric Zeza, Hana is a Kalu Watara, or Cap French Kama, only Jean Vital, and at the more airborne from Oha, India, Equiji, or Antonio referee, Washington, also a year inspection. Now, it's a blade on the Jean Vital, so it's your campaign. Until this, the Medeama bench, and not just a tactical instrument. Womo edepeke feed free video analyst for them to know how the game is going, and also NSC will come. So this was the time not players need a free time and another being led by the match commission, and the match commission agency come on. The captain of the day was Richmond Lamto, no any lady Asante Kotoko, Frederick Asari, now when you're Jordan Figo, now when you're Kuala Justice Blade. Eric Zeze, Enoch Morrison, Kalu Watara. Na Emrantia Nebasa, na just when ya Brantia, Efeni Yusuf Nuruddin, na when ya Henry Ansuni Sharif Marvin Hano was some interesting scene. These three players of Kotoko, players in Nako Park, but no more bonfire. There's only say Henry Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin, Sharif Mohammed. So this is the players on the field. Na Otu Enia, na on the other end, no don't say a Tima. Your friend Medeama, the referee by no person 2 players Nico now almost bonfire. So the referee also went to the other side because apparently now Medeama player just Joshua Chimai no song going to use if no the newborn empire we and Okoko. So Charles Billy was still telling the players to come to the field. The Anan called to the bottom things and go yellow card no be trend said Eddie. Medeama players also when you look at the other end, well, Medeama players they also had one player, Joshua Jenin, Sir Onoso Ejinaho, just Onoso so he will step on the field, Kakran Chese, or no area field in the so, and I say na Asante Kotoko players, as area field in the so. That is interesting. Sharif Mohammed received Nuruddin. And Henry also Skokan who are much Emma Bia etimi Ekoyi Kama Ewo na Abuama Jumedi Akoye. So lovely scenes. No gidi bia and the sea will be uncle to be actually a beautiful scene by our standard. That tells you how lovely the Ghana Premier League is, how interesting the Ghana Premier League, the friendship and everything on a flow Kama Ewo players just will be a heat. Na ahana so much picture. So the Kotoko players will arrange themselves to take their picture. Na omashisho mo kama na SMFG beka na abano nti Lamte Zeze Bukwala Morrison Blay Ekotoi and I just say omo makano so ejina ho. A similar thing with Medeama. The Medeama the goalkeeper no Felix J Koto na players na kanina ekwa omo ho ahia. Yes, I so moto Queen Kama and then I observe any 1 minute and now the worrying thing was the attendance who share a rest stance at the time of kickoff. Now here the page in a nipe woha not just say a worrying this is the rest stance, and that was the biggest issue, the attendance and the number of people at the venue. A barbershop bond be na enye. So check yellow stance as well to nipe woha not numbers no ever form power, which is not encouraging and which is also not interesting for a association football. So water break and you see the coaches giving out instructions. And it means say Moro, Ibrahim, and Morrison Kasa, na a coach, your friend Ogum so afraid him because Ansu was not having a good day. The passes not a bit sloppy. He's a coach in a Kasapa trying to tell him to calm down. Now Benson, Wilson aside rather. Now also afraid a blade. It was a blade and a boy as a right centre back, Kotoko boy 3-back system where Justice blow a ball right centre back position. Therefore, now we have a lot of guidance. I say, Omoche never be sending a ball and cutting fast and fast into water break nearby. Massive communication. All the assistants will clue a Moro and a Wilson. Yeah, we play our friend not on the Casa. And this was when Medeama scored a goal. Our referee offside. Edema Asante Kotoko. And you see, say, already as a Medeama fans, they were not really happy with the scene that was going on. This also show you the yellow stance, the green stance. The Padogo about green stance. I share ball. How small? Any pair about green stance, the hair ball. So the issue have to do with attendance, not really the best of attendance into this game. And again, we talk about a 3-back with the Justice Blame, when a Henry Ansu, now when a Yusuf Nuruddin, now when a Sharif Mohammed, which Molamte Alexese in the middle, now when a Enoch Morrison, Jordan Figi, bought as wing backs, now when a Kalu Watara, and in Figi, Kalu Watara, and Mukwala Mum. Or more leading attack at the Amakumasi Asante. So this was the end of the first half. Everybody is going. Like I'm telling you, the beauty of Ghana Premier League will be on Tonensa and will be on Factor Bian Kudu. Referees may come well protected, and there was nothing like say will be born. So the players are staging say we players no more monitor no more kasa now we say we say Kabebwa we say and Kabebwa. So this is the end of the first half. The second half resumes, and this is where Kotokonya penalty. What's a Kotokonya penalty? Kalu Watara. And a Kofa penalty. Kalu Watara and a Kofa penalty na coaching starting said Debbie. As I saw branch, I friend Sharif Mohammed Boom and Omane Bob penalty. So Sharif Bob penalty. Medeama apparently were not happy with the penalty call now referee. But Sharif had the ball to the back of the net and they complained. Say Sharif had in the 9 elbow game. So it looks like Medeama were not happy with officiating, but that is part of the game. So this is Sharif Mohammed Obed penalty. So Obed TV, Mohammed M. Famusi Hasi. Bye bye.